Welcome to your ELA lesson. Don't forget to practice your sight words on your own time. Let's get started. My new school. My new school. What word goes here? My new school. Is it are or like? Like. We going to the spring sports games. We going to the spring sports game. What word goes here? We going to the spring sports game. Is it are or he? Are. We are going to the spring sports games. My Tom is awesome. My Tom is awesome. Is it friend or are? Friend. My friend Tom is awesome. Is my best friend. Is my best friend. What word goes here? Is it he or like? He is my best friend. We are reading a new story this week. The title of our story is Sam is Happy for Tom. Let's point to the title of the story. Sam is happy for Tom. Let's begin by pointing to the first sentence of the story. Can you point with me? On Monday morning at school, I met Tom when he got off his bus. Awesome. Let's keep going. I like Tom and he likes me. We are best friends. Tom and I went to our classroom. The clock said 5 minutes past 9. School begins at 9. Our teacher, Mrs. Jones, said, "Boys and girls, I have some good news today. The spring sports games are next month on April 17th. Tom will be in 2 events for the games. He will be in the swimming event and he will be in the wheelchair race." Then Mrs. Jones said she had more good news. She said this year, each boy or girl in the spring sports games can take one friend with them. Tom has chosen Sam to be his friend at the spring sports games on April 17th. Hooray! I thought, Tom is going to the spring sports games and I'm going with him. Really? Yes! We are going to the spring sports games and it will be awesome. Now let's go back to the story and answer some questions. Sam is happy for Tom. What do you think the story is about? Is it Sam having fun or Sam going to sleep? Sam having fun. I like Tom and he likes me. We are best friends. Who is Sam's best friend? Is it the cat or Tom? Tom! The clock said 5 minutes past 9. What time did the clock say? Was it 5 minutes past 9 or 5 minutes past 1? 5 minutes past 9. Our teacher, Mrs. Jones, said, "Boys and girls, I have some good news today." Who is Mrs. Jones? Is it the teacher or the pilot? The teacher! Well done! You're done with today's lesson. Don't forget to watch part 2.